Morris has successfully used the Duraloc frame system on its Quantum, which has been proven over the last 6 years of seeding. Morris has now incorporated this design into its new air cart. If we have a look at what represents a chassis beam, you can see that the laser technology enables the laser to actually cut a slot here, and then these 4 smaller slots here. So when we have another beam coming to join that, instead of a traditional way where the joint would butt up against it and that would be welded, this member here now passes actually through this rail. It can be welded here, and you can see how it's passed all the way through, and then on the other side here it can also be plug welded. This joint is 150% stronger than a traditional joint, and it doesn't require gusseting. Combined with that, the Morris chassis uses the triangular truss, which you'd be familiar with if you've seen bridges or cranes, and that type of design really maximises the ability of this chassis to carry a heavy load.